Hi guys, Whitney from WSS EQUESTRIAN. Welcome to my video on how to correctly store your show Browbands. So without further ado, let's jump straight on into it. There's not too much else I have to say there. So when it comes to storing your show Browbands, you want them to last as long as you can have them to last because, you know, they're pretty. More often than not, they're our favourite ones. We don't want them, you know, have to replace it all the time. And for those needing to save money, storing them correctly will help you save money. So the examples for today's video is my elegant equine Browband and accessories Browband in here with the Browband cover made by them, by Tammy. And then this is my handmade Browband up here made by me for a fashion on the field class. I'll leave a card up top for that show vlog if you want to check it out. That was my fashion on the field class Browband that I needed. So orange and white. And I've been lazy, people. I have been lazy and I have not covered it. I have not put a Browband cover on it and I've been pure lazy. And it's dirty now, it's wrecked, it's got white ribbon that's rubbed now on something with black makeup and now it's really yucky. I'll show you close up. So there's the damage on this Browband from me being lazy and not storing it in a Browband cover. This side's okay, luckily, but yeah, that's damaged now. That's worn, that's dirty and yucky. Compared to another Browband that, see, you just peel this open. See how cool is that? And that covers around the back of the Browband rosette and it covers the front and has a hole up the top so it's easy to put on and around your bridle so you don't have to pull off the bridle. So I'll just take this off to show you guys. Beautiful and satiny on the inside and a really nice cotton on the outside and a beautiful, you know, colourful design with the pony ribbon. But yeah, that's Teddy's Browband. His main one on his open bridle. It's beautiful. It says there is a bit of mark there, but that I say is from pulling it on and off on the day. But yeah, having a Browband cover certainly helps prolong the life of your Browbands, guys. I highly recommend. And then it's easy. See, you got the Velcro here and here. You fold it over and stick that all together and do it up. And then you bring this over, stick these sides of Velcro all together on both sides, and voila, it's done. It's really easy to do, real easy storage solution to prolong the life of your Browbands. So we just pull that one up, cover that rosette a little bit more. There we go. There. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, so that's what it looks like now, guys. It's wrecked. It's frustrating. Don't know when I'd ever use a white and orange one ever again, but anyways, you just never know. So it's ruined now. Not happy with that, but that's my own fault, and because I didn't go to the extra measure of putting the Browband cover on it, so all that purely lands on me, my fault. So in my video here today, I'm going to hand out a little bit of wisdom. Hopefully you pick up on it. Cover your Browbands. You want them to last longer and stay cleaner and stay in that show ring sparkling condition. Definitely, guys, definitely invest in a Browband cover. My sponsor, Elegant Equine Browband Accessories, they make beautiful Browband covers that are easy to put on and leave on when you're riding your horse, so you can take the Browband cover off right at the last minute before you head in the ring to just, you know, minimize that rubbing and makeup possibilities that could end up on the Browband. And number two, the option, so that's option number one, is put a Browband cover and then put it in the bridle bag, or you just put it in the box that it comes in. So this is the box that my beautiful sponsor Tammy, I ordered an extra Browband. I'll show you now. I ordered this beautiful Browband for Teddy for his lead thoroughbred class at the Sydney Royal. It is a beautiful Browband, but it's got the mirror. I love the mirror. It's just my go-to when it comes to selecting show Browbands. And the mirrors, they can't be left flat. Like, that's a no-no, being left flat. That's bad. That's really, really, really bad to do to your mirrors. So it's really important that you always leave them curved like this. Okay? So that's why I have had it on the bridle, but for filming in that, I've taken it off just to show you guys. So it's really important that you put this, you know, you either take it off the bridle if you're not going to put it in a bridle bag where it's going to be safe. Take it off and put it back in the packaging where it came from. Okay? So it's really important that you go to the extra effort to care for your products, and they'll last longer. You know, you'll get many more years out of your Browbands if you care for them. So that's the biggest factor and teacher and lesson of today is care for your Browband. So Browband care is really important to make them last. Okay, so this now goes in the box like this, and it sits in the tissue paper and in the bubble wrap until I knit it again. So yeah guys, they're my two options that I recommend on how to store and care for your Browbands, your show Browbands. So I recommend getting a Browband cover, then putting it in a bridle bag, or if you're not going to leave it on the bridle, put it in a box. Put it in the box that it came to you in, or get a special box, put padding in there and make sure it's going to stay clean, dust free, and you'll get many more days, many more rides, many more shows out of your show Browbands. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give us a big thumbs up. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below how you store your Browbands, whether you leave it on the bridle, in a bridle bag, or if you take them off and put them in. You can get hanging up Browband sleeves as well. They're handy. But yeah, everyone's different. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys do. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!